Hi guys, and welcome to this chart analysis video and trade analysis video what I have done for today. So this video is only for educational purpose and there are no trade recommendation in this video. So firstly, I'll be telling you how I've traded on this particular chart setup for today and how I was able to make the profit. Okay. So as you guys can see here on this particular chart, this was one of an important level. Okay. So on the previous day, you can see the stock price had come down, and after coming down it has gone up and made this particular level as a resistance level. And you can see here today, once the market opened, this stock price has gone up and again it has retraced back. Okay, so you can see here this resistance level was given a breakout for today, and this was one of a strong momentum what we have got for today. So once this resistance level gave a breakout, you can see here in the morning I missed to enter because it was a very quick momentum, and from almost from here to here it just went up in a very quicker way. And later you can see it has come down, and later again it has tried to go above this resistance level, and this resistance level was given a breakout here. And later you can see once it gave a breakout, the price started sustaining, and I took my entry somewhere over here around 1525 levels. Okay, so once I took the entry, you can see here how the price has gone up, and the highest point what it has touched today is around 1537. Okay, so I took my entry somewhere over here and I took my exit somewhere over here at 1533. So this was the particular intraday trade what I was able to execute today according to my study and the strategy. Okay, and also this was 1:2 risk reward ratio. So you can see here I kept the stop loss here. The price didn't come down till here. It has managed to retrace and then it has gone up at the end of the day. So this is how the price has performed on this particular chart setup. Okay, and if you guys wish to learn from a 10 years plus of experience in trading, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen for more educational details. Okay, so I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.